Hello, my name is Brian Laufer, Vice President here at QuoteWerks. In this video, we will use the online ordering functionality in QuoteWerks to place an order with our distributor and then send the purchase order to QuickBooks. We have other videos on our website and YouTube channel that go into greater detail on how to set up and use online ordering as well as QuickBooks purchase orders. This video is intended to be a supplement to those videos showing you how to use the features of QuoteWerks together. So as you can see, I've got an order here that's ready to go. Basically I need to place the order with our distributors here. I've got two items on the quote, or order I should say, one for Tech Data and one for Ingram. So what I'm going to do is click on the purchasing button here, and yes to close the document, and here are my two items. So let's go ahead and combine this order with a couple of different other orders here. So we'll go to multiple orders and we'll select this month. So we've got a bunch of items here. Let's go ahead and select Tech Data as our vendor and go ahead and select all of them. So as you can see, I've got three items here totaling $156.73. We'll go ahead and pretend that that hits my free shipping threshold. We're ordering items for Aspire Technologies and Joe's Brewing Company. So what I'm going to do, instead of clicking on Create PO in QuickBooks, I'm going to place the online order. From here, I'm going to put in a description for my purchase order here. This is going to be helpful on the procurement side in QuoteWerks when it comes to tracking the items as they're being shipped and receiving them and whatnot. So we'll go ahead and call this patch, cables, and toner. Give it a PO number. I'm going to go ahead and use today's date. That way it's easy to track to see what's going on. And -1. The pricing type, flooring account if you've got one, special instructions. In this case, I am going to say do not order or bill. This is only a test. And anything you put in here will basically force the sales rep to take a look at the order. Go to the shipping tab here. We'll go ahead and copy it to our location. End user, nothing in here is specific, so that's not going to be required. And we'll use my order tracker to get order confirmation. And we'll just verify P&A. And all of our prices have been updated, as well as stock information. Everything is in stock, so everything should go well. So we'll just validate, just make sure. Good, no issues. So let's go ahead and submit our order. So we're placing the order with Tech Data. We've got our sales order number there. We'll go ahead and click on OK. Give it a second and close. And we're going to get an updated order status, and you'll see that in a moment. But I do want to create that purchase order inside of QuickBooks, so I'll click on Yes. And this patch cable actually is not inside of QuickBooks yet, so we're going to go ahead and create that. We'll just go ahead and do that. Okay. And our QuickBooks PO was created. So we'll click on OK. And you'll see that we don't have any orders that are pending here that need to be placed, I should say. And let's go ahead and see what we've got here. Here's our purchase order that we just created. Double click on it. I'll make this a little bit bigger here, and you'll see that we've got our items on our purchase order here for Aspire Technologies and Joe's Brewing Company here. Now if I go back over to QuoteWerks, we can go to our purchase orders here and we can see all of our orders this month. So here's the PO that I just placed. Here's the three items that were on that purchase order, and we can see what's going on with them. They're all going to be shipped FedEx Ground, and later today I'll be able to go back and get updated order status, like if it's shipped, if any of them have shipped and whatnot. This is a brief overview of using all of the functionality together as far as placing the online order with Tech Data and then getting the purchase order inside of QuickBooks. So if you have any additional questions on how to get started with procurement, online ordering, or purchase orders in QuickBooks, please feel free to give us a call at 407-248-1481. Again, that's 407-248-1481.